In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Shopify logo size on desktop using theme settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the built-in controls and how to dial in a clean, professional logo size that fits your store's header. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all of your theme customization lives. Make sure you're working on your active theme so your changes apply to what customers actually see. Next, click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which is the visual workspace for adjusting your storefront without touching code. On the left sidebar of the editor, look for the gear icon labeled Theme Settings. Click that to access global settings that affect your entire site rather than just one section. Inside Theme Settings, click on Logo. This is where most themes centralize your logo controls. You're looking for a setting called Desktop Logo Width, or simply Logo Width. Many Shopify themes include a width slider or a numeric range setting that controls the size in pixels, specifically for desktop screens. Use the slider to increase or decrease the width. As you drag, watch the preview on the right update in real time. Aim for a size that's large enough to be legible and on-brand, but not so big that it crowds your navigation or pushes important content down the page. A small adjustment can make a big difference in balance and readability. If your theme shows a pixel value, that's helpful. Pixels give you a precise number you can remember and reuse. Keep in mind that different logos have different proportions, so a wide horizontal logo might look best at a lower pixel width than a more compact square mark. If you don't immediately see a desktop logo width slider, look for similarly named options like logo width or header logo width. The exact label can vary a bit from theme to theme, but the function is the same. You're still adjusting the display width of your existing logo image, not uploading a new file. Once you're happy with how it looks in the preview, click Save. This is important. Your changes won't go live until you save. After saving, the new logo size will be applied on desktop devices for your active theme. That's it. You accessed your theme, opened the theme editor, went into Theme Settings, selected Logo, adjusted the desktop logo width slider to your preferred pixel value, and saved. With those quick adjustments, your storefront's header should look cleaner and more aligned with your brand.